Paris Saint is promoting their early access subscription as they gear up for another big drop this Tuesday where we might end up seeing more 20 hoodies, man. Yes, indeed. Also, Los Angeles Archive hit us with a crazy drop that year, did way more than we anticipated. Let's get into it.
Let me get it dough.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Dub, aka Don't Wait to Create, back with another video. As if I had to tell you, you watching the video, so clearly I'm back, right? Let's go, man. Shout out to all my subscribers. We reaching that milestone, man, getting close to the 500. Still got a ways to go to get to that 1,000, man, but I thank y'all for all the support I've been getting. Really 100% appreciate y'all, man, from the bottom of my heart, truth. This channel is not for everybody. This channel is for like-minded people. Quentin Tarantino, he said, I'm paraphrasing, I don't make my movies for anybody in particular. I just put them out there and hope that the people that's crazy as me find them. And I don't think that's how he said it. But anyway, man, let's get right down to business. For those of you that do not know, Los Angeles Archive went crazy yesterday. And on top of what we already knew about, man, they dropped a few extra pieces. But the main thing everybody was focused on was those 2020 Vision hoodies. Yes, indeed. And as expected, them shits flew like birds. So congratulations to anybody watching that was able to cop. I got comments from some people saying they was even able to grab 2 of them, man. So shout out to y'all. I myself went for it as well. And I'm gonna talk about that in my next video.
Bruh, look at this dude.
So stay tuned. Yes, indeed. I'm actually surprised though that they didn't drop the hats. Not sure what's up with that, but hey, it is what it is. I don't know, maybe they ain't finished making them in time or something, I don't know. I'm joking, but at the same time, I'm not. I actually feel like they'll restock soon since the hoodie sold out so fast, and maybe that's when we'll see the hats. Who knows? I don't know for sure if they're gonna restock. I am assuming, and I'm more so just putting the energy out there in the universe for the people who weren't able to cop. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about this Los Angeles Archive drop in my next video. So as I said earlier, stay tuned and lock in with your boy. But for now, bro, we're gonna move on to the main topic of this video, Paris Saint and their early access subscription. Yes, indeed, man. Before I get too deep into that, I want to say I went back and I did some research because I wanted to see when they dropped the 20 hoodies. I have been actually sleeping, man. I don't know. LA Archive got something on their site or something, bro. They've been distracting me, man. Royal Foams shock dropped today, and I wasn't even paying attention, bro. And I realized I ain't been in the sneakers app in weeks because I've been so worried about LA Archive and what they got going on. But I digress, man. Digressing seems to be a theme on this channel, I'm noticing. I digress. Now, like I said, I went back and did the research, man, to see when they dropped these 2020 hoodies. Cause I was curious, man. They dropped them on August 29th. I want to say I think that's the same day that LA Archive dropped the Vote Kanye hoodies. Now they had them for $280. And as I stated in a previous video, go back and check my videos, man, cause I'm a reference stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm a reference. It does make me wonder if they actually have OGs or just high quality reproduced items. I don't know. Someone in their comment section did ask, were these reps or were they coming from a warehouse? Someone from Paris Saint responded and said, no, we only sell authentic originals. Of course, that was gonna be the answer, right? I definitely wouldn't expect them to say, nah, bro, these reps. Come on, bro. That really don't mean too much to me. We won't actually know what's up with the tags and the overall quality until people start getting their packages in and spreading the word. To no surprise, they did sell out of their hoodies pretty much instantly as far as what I've seen from the comment section, but their upcoming outerwear drop is happening this Tuesday, so I'm wondering if we'll see more 20 hoodies. Could be being that it's outerwear, could be other stuff, but I feel like they're gonna restock them hoodies again. If that is the case, then there is still hope for anyone who struck out on Los Angeles Archive. Now, along with that, I am wondering if we could possibly see this t-shirt right here restock. I don't know. I know they got the white one on the site right now, but I haven't seen anybody throw that t-shirt up. I love that one. Like if they would have had that on Los Angeles Archive, I would have went for that over the hoodie, to be honest with you. So t-shirts are more in the lane that I live in, you feel me? I live in Florida, so it's not that cold for that long. But yeah, like I say, if they would have had that one on LA Archive, bro, I definitely would have copped that. If we'll see that, who knows? Again, this is speculation, me putting good energy out there and just creating dialogue, you feel me? Hit me up in the comment section, man. Let me know. Are you looking forward to this Paris Saint drop? And being that it's outerwear and t-shirts, what do you think they're gonna drop? Holla at your boy. Now, some other items I do expect to see more Dove hoodies. I'm almost certain they're gonna have more Dove hoodies. I'm just wondering if they'll have any of the other colorways, and probably more seamless tees, especially being that we saw Los Angeles Archive drop some. Now, again, I am not saying that any of this stuff is for sure. I don't know if anything that I'm saying will come to be reality. I just enjoy the rush of trying to figure it out. It's like biting into a York peppermint patty.
It's been 2 months since I made the tragic choice to bite into a York peppermint patty.
I just enjoy the little rush I get, man, from trying to, figure this stuff out, man. It's actually fun to me at the end of the day. Now, if you are looking to get a head start on Paris Saints drop this Tuesday, you could do what I did and go ahead and pay for that early access subscription. Yes, indeed. Granted, I know a lot of people probably already have the subscription, right? But I'm sure there's still more people who don't have it than those that do. In that case, I think it'll actually give you a slightly better chance at getting what you're trying to get. I'm telling you to do it. I'm just saying that I did it, and it might be a way for you to boost your chances. You do it and everything don't go right. Don't come saying Mike Dub told you to do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying you could do what I did, right? The subscription is $8 a month, no obligation, so you can cancel it anytime. Pause it, skip it, you know what I'm saying? If you don't want to pay for that month, reschedule it, all that stuff, man. So in that case, you kind of can't lose. Let's say you tried and it worked out. It was only $8, then you got exclusive access. Let's say you tried and it didn't work out. It was only $8 and you can cancel anytime. You feel me? So yeah, if you feeling it, go ahead and do it, man. That's what I did. Now, in case you don't know how to sign up, don't worry. I got you. First thing you want to do, obviously go ParisSaint.com. I just realized their website ain't actually ParisSaint.com. It's ParisAin't.com, low key. The last tab on the right, you'll see a little barcode. Click on that. And from there, the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. You can read all the information there, just to privy yourself to what's going on, which I am gonna go more in depth on that anyway, right before we get out of here. Yeah, once you add it to the cart, man, go ahead and pay for it, and you in there, you know what I'm saying? Don't mind that little, don't pay no attention to that. I was finna make a move on that, then I thought about, bro, you paying for the early access so that you could get in on the drops Tuesday. Why you finna buy this jacket right now? Now, there are some more steps after this, and I'm gonna go read that real quick. I'm gonna put it up on the screen as well, because I almost didn't pay attention to it. I wanna make sure anybody that's like me is paying attention, so that way you can really make sure you in on this like you're supposed to. Receive daily notifications of our newest inventory and most exclusive finds, including rare samples from multiple eras, ranging from 2004 to 2023. You'll have access to purchase items early before general public and early access to curated drops and discount sales. In early access, you will also be able to request items you're in search of to better your chances at finding your grails. Now, that's dope to me. If I can go on here and actually look for real grails for real and get the access to them, that's dope. I'm gonna play around with this subscription, man. I ain't gonna just use it for this drop that's coming up Tuesday. I'm gonna definitely play around with this subscription. I got a whole month to see what it do. So I'm gonna get busy with this thing. Now, the main part, the instructions. After you pay for your subscription, you're gonna get your email. Go to your email and get that order number. Once you get your order number, they say after you purchase, email us your order number and your IG username to parissaintboutique@gmail.com to complete your sign up. So you will get that email saying that you are signed up, right? But you do want to follow these instructions on the screen and make sure you send that information to their Gmail account. Do that, man. Make sure, like I said, that's one of them things that if you're not paying attention to, it'll slip by you, and then you be thinking they played you when in reality,
congratulations, you played yourself.
You ain't read everything.
Don't ever play yourself.
Like I say, I almost did it myself.
Don't ever play yourself.
Luckily, I caught it in time. So, yeah, man. That is pretty much all I got for this video, man. I'm going to get on up out of here on this Good Friday night. Now, I kind of feel like I started something in the last few videos that I do want to keep going on this video and probably continue to do. So, the word for the day is that one person, and you know who I'm talking about, that person didn't just start being weird. They just hadn't pissed you off yet. Yeah. I'm going to get at y'all ASAP pronto. Do your boy a huge favor, man. Leave a thumbs up on this video. Most importantly, please subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, man. Go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit that notification bell so you can get the notification when I'm dropping these videos. Other than that, man, you already know. Peace, love, peace, love.